Welcome to Godwin Tech. In this tutorial of today, I'm going to walk you through on how to subscribe or buy Microsoft 365 program. Okay, but before then, let me explain what Microsoft 365 is all about. Microsoft 365 is an office program or Microsoft program developed for users of Microsoft apps. So when you subscribe for this program, you have basic apps installed on your PC, which are Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, Outlook, and some others. And the beauty of this is that the applications contained in this program gets updated over time, unlike the one-time subscription. Okay, so it's a nice program because as time goes on, Microsoft adds some features inside the component applications. So let me jump in onto my PC and then we go on practically on how to subscribe for this program or how to buy the software. First thing first, you have to make sure that your computer is connected to the internet, just like as you can see here, my PC here is connected to the internet. After that, head onto your browser. So I'm be using Chrome here. So click on your browser for it to open. So after it's open, you visit the office website. From there, you go on with your purchase. Okay, so the browser is open. Okay, here am I on the page. Here over here, type the website office.com. .com. Hit the enter key of your keyboard for it to open. Let me maximize this. Alright, it has opened. The next step you are going to take is to buy this program. And for you to do that, hit the Get Microsoft 365 button. Alright, the page has opened. So by default, we are placed at the home tab. This home tab, if you want to use this program individually, only you, okay, you can select any option under this home. We have Microsoft 365 family. Okay, maybe for you and your siblings or for you and your family members, maybe you have a lot of people in your family that uses computers, so you can buy this plan and then share the license between all of the rest of the members of the family. So 2 to 6 people can use this plan under home. Okay, then this is Microsoft 365 personal. Alright, even for one person, for example, now I'm the only one that is using this program, so I don't have any other person I want to share it with, so I can go for this plan. And here it sells at 26, or let's say approximately 27,000 naira. That's Nigerian currency. So if you're in US or any other country, it's possible that Microsoft will detect your location and then assign the price you are going to pay in your own currency. I hope that is clear. Then let's get to this. This is for business. So if we click on this for business, it will show some packages under business plan. Okay, as you can see, Microsoft 365 Business Basic, Microsoft 365 Apps for Business. These are different programs and they are plans, their prices varies, okay, but it's mainly for business purpose. So if you want to sign up for this Microsoft 365 for business purpose, you may consider choosing any of these plans here. Okay, so but let me just head back to the home tab and then go always by personal purchase. All right, under here, this is the plan I want to go for. That's the personal use. Okay, I can decide to buy this, click on this buy button, or I can decide to go with monthly subscription. So here I want to go with monthly subscription, so I'll click on buy at this price. All right, something is displayed on my screen. It says switch to annual subscription and enjoy the power of Microsoft 365 for less than paying. I don't want it, so I want to continue with my monthly subscription. So I'll go on with this, continue with monthly plan. Okay, this is the page that opens next. Okay, it has discovered the email address I used for my Microsoft account. So I already have a Microsoft account with Microsoft. So if you don't have a Microsoft account, you may consider signing up for one. Okay, let's say I have one already. So and it's even assigned my password automatically. So I can go on with sign in. All right, you say you are almost ready to start using Microsoft 365. So get started at the way to pay. So I can click on the next button. Okay, after that, the next thing you have to do is click on the credit card or debit card button. Alright, it has opened a page requesting we fill our debit card details. Okay, so this is the same thing you see at your own end. If you are signing up for this program, for this subscription, you will see a page that looks like this. So fill in the details required from you, which after that you hit the save button and you proceed to the next stage. Okay, okay, we the card details we entered has been confirmed and we are taking to this page. Okay, and here it's saying upgrade your Microsoft 365 family. Microsoft can be funny. We are going for personal and you're telling us to migrate to family. We don't know that. We want to continue with what we are doing, which is the personal own for one person, okay, and not up to five persons stuff. So just click on the continue button. Okay, here it has shown my details as well and some part of the card information. The next step is to click on subscribe. Alright, once the subscription goes through, you will be taken to this page. As you can see on this page, it says, "Thank you for subscribing for Microsoft 365. Get started with your subscription." So the next step you have to take is to click on continue. Alright, we have been taken to this news page telling us to download your mobile app. That's cool, but that's not what we are interested in this video. So we want to get the desktop applications. So scroll down here to this section and then hit download desktop apps. Alright, we are required to enter our email details again, sign in details. Okay, so I will still go with this. Then it's requesting for the password. The password is already assigned by automatically, but if not the same on your own device, just assign your password and hit the sign in button. Alright, this is the page where we are taken to, and on this page get to the section with the heading Install Office on all your computers. Okay, so click on that Install Office. Here we are to select the language you want to be installed in. I'm okay with English, and I believe probably that's your own default language as well. So hit the install button. Alright, the program has installed, has been downloaded on this PC. This is my PC. So you can see that under Office Setup.exe. So the next thing you have to do is to click on this icon and go on with open. Okay, alright, a program shows on the screen asking if do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC, to your device. Click on yes. So these are just the installation stages you have to go through for the program to be installed on your computer completely. Alright, so these are the steps you need to take to install Microsoft 365 on your computer. After the installation, all the basic applications are made available on your PC. For you to confirm that, click on the search button and then type the name of the app you want to access, example Word. You can see the app is already on my computer, or maybe Excel. Okay, the app is still here. So the installation is complete, and now we have all the basic Office apps up and running on our computer. I hope this video helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Like this video and leave a comment. Thank you and see you next time.